Cool, Bella.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Took her shopping.
Yes, I haven't gone shopping in a while. So it was a pleasant
I never can
surprise.
still go Kingston.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
It's my vlog taking over today, and we are on the birthday outing. You know, we didn't get to do much yesterday, so I'm taking her out today. We're gonna do some shopping and I'm gonna head into Kingston. The girls are with the sister. She had no clue about anything, but I hope she didn't, or if she did, she didn't let it be known. So we dropped the girls off and we're gonna begin our road tour, road trip slash birthday outing. What do I go on? Representing No Weapon Form. The weapon can form, but it shall not prosper. Representing for Avogate Blair t-shirt line. You don't know, got a mask up and shield up. You gotta have on the shield up, right? Come on, let's go.
Hallelujah.
I don't even know which scripture is that. Cool, Bella.
Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Gonna I love you, mom. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, mom. Cha cha cha.
So we are on the way to Kingston. Took her shopping.
Yes, I haven't gone shopping in a while. So it was a pleasant
I never can
surprise.
still go Kingston.
I never expected it to come to that much.
Guys, listen, when you're going on a shopping date with your wife, you tell her, babe, do
Guys, I asked him
spend
what
this and not that.
Guys, I asked him what the budget was and he never answered me. I took up two things, you know. Hear him to me. So, you don't want such and such, or you don't want such and such. So I went and I picked up such and such, and when them add up such and such, it come up to such and such, and I was like, oh, okay. But it's him, I only took up two things, and he was the one who suggested, babe, why don't you take up this, or babe, why don't you? So I did.
You deserve it.
I thank you.
You deserve. You don't know the song? I said, empty me. Ooh, so yeah, guys. It's a bittersweet day. Later on in the video, we'll tell you about that. Heading into Kingston to Spanish Town as well. And drop by some family members and show our faces, you know. But it's a full day. Tell her to put the phone up on the tripod and go all over the place.
It's alright, we're driving on a rocky road.
The road is rocky. The road is. I'm not sure where my jacket.
Him not know the lyrics. I told you
Heavenly
guys.
road.
Okay, I need to put this on the tripod.
Kingston City. Oh yeah, definitely Kingston City. Traffic on post now. So we are in Kingston. We've arrived safely. We're gonna get some food and have breakfast slash lunch. I don't know what they call that. It's not really brunch, but we're gonna be trying out this new place. And she's looking all around and she's like, I don't know where this new place is, but we're gonna be trying out this new place. Let's see what's in store. Thank you. The lady saw us holding hands, guys. The love is in the air. You don't see that often in Jamaica, so yeah. Alright, so welcome to F.I.R.E Cafe. Breakfast is served and it's time for lunch.
Very full.
On to the next part of our journey. Are you enjoying your day so far?
Fantastica! Having a good day without the girls.
Yeah.
Having a good day.
So this is just me telling her what to do, when to do it. She has no clue what's coming next. She has no clue what is being done or where she's going. You just have to walk with it. Oh.
Guys, what a day it has been. Oh my gosh. So I just finished getting a full body massage, not from Brian, from Jim here. And I also got a pedicure, and my whole body feels just relaxed and ready to take on motherhood all over again, meaning to go back home to the girls. That's what I mean, because I know some of you will read into things. Okay, yes. So thank you, babe.
Come on, how kind of ready for motherhood again?
That's why I clarified myself. So I had a great day. Thank you, babe. Appreciate it.
You deserve it.
Thank you. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm not sure if we'll add anything else to it, but if we do, I guess you'll see. Wait. I cannot wait. Ready?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my god, I'm going to cry.
What's new?
Johnny! Oh my god! Ah! YouTube, you mean thick thong? Me not eat this. Me not eat this. Oh, you took a picture, right, Johnny? Send me, please. Oh my heart. Oh my. Oh, Sterling! Oh, 9.57 subscribers!
Jody correct, man. Jody correct.
Oh my gosh! What you yummy ad? And my favorites, oh, I never tried the apple pie one yet. But my favorite Gizorler. Hello. Oh, Jody, thank you, doctor. I know a lot of this is your handiwork. I thank you so much. And my Bailey's. I'm not pregnant this year, so I shall devour. Thank you.
Boss just get a WhatsApp message from a friend about our 80-year-old grandfather love Basilia character on TikTok. So,
Guess
Sister
we
Gilberta is off the market. Anybody want ladder shop? Just say. No,
Ladder
sir.
shop not off age yet, man.
Me I tell you no. Boss love your character. 80-year-old, you know, people.
And he has to get it on WhatsApp every time it drops. So he wants to know if the Basilia lady publish any video today, because he needs to get the video and he loves Sister Gilbert's character.
Cover me, Lord. Competition all around. What do you have to say if he's watching this video?
Well, if you're watching this video, thank you for supporting the character.
I know you even want to talk to.
Alexa, please play a nice song for this gentleman, y'all.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.